conditions of growth in my constituency.
With the rise in drugs usage in Meghalaya, the Meghalaya State Commission for Women in collaboration with Maupat Dorbar Shnong organized a one-day awareness program on empowering women combating substance abuse in Meghalaya at Maupat Community Hall. The chairperson of MSCW, Yamon Sim, along with the headman of Maupat, Shri Juda J.N. Walang, and members of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society briefed the public on the issue of substance abuse, addiction, and how the usage of such not only hampers an individual's well-being but also their surroundings. An interactive session was also held.
Kini tobacco, gino tobacco, no? Peduma lagay naka kumki cigarette ne dumao babam, ito balkwai, ki nantala ni ki gutka, ki sipa, kito barok ki paket, kito barok ki deki habanda tobacco, no? Tikini ki drugs, okay? Te kanikran halor kani, kamadin. Tikini ki deki legal drugs. Te kebaan pada ni orang kita legal but prescribed.
The Khasi Students'